you gonna like, you gonna comment, you gonna subscribe, you gonna share. You gonna like, you gonna comment, you gonna subscribe, you gonna share. Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? So this is the follow-up video to the last video that was uploaded on my channel, which is the Should I Quit YouTube video. And if you haven't watched that, I'll link it somewhere here. I don't know where this orientation will end up, but I'll link it in the cards and in the description for you to watch that video and let me know your thoughts, ideas, suggestions on that. And then this video will have more context and make more sense to you. So let's get into it. So first of all, I just want to thank everybody that commented on the videos. Like, your feedback was loud, and honestly, when I uploaded the video, I thought it was going to cement the views that I had, which was that ain't nobody gonna comment, ain't nobody gonna say nothing, and it was just gonna be like, oh, well, I guess I should quit YouTube. Okay, thanks for the memories, gotta go by. So, you know, seeing the comments and your feedback and your support of the channel and the content that I put out was so honestly surprising. And two, very heartwarming, because, you know, it means that y'all are here. Y'all just ain't here all the time, but y'all here. Reading some of those comments, it was clear that some of you guys have been here maybe from year one, you know, with some of the comments that you left. And that was so heartwarming to know that you guys are still here. And, you know, even just people telling me what videos they watched that made them interested in the channel and made them subscribe was just like, wow. So thank you guys so much for the support. Big up the day ones, big up the new ones, big up the middle days, like whatever, anywhere you are, big up for coming along with me on this journey. That video, I have probably the most comments, most interaction with you guys, and it's just like, did I have to say I was quitting for it to happen now? No, but seriously, you know, looking at the comments, it gave me a lot of renewed perspective. You guys shared a lot of suggestions, and it was eye-opening to see all of those things, you know. I got a lot of comments that made me go, wow, I never looked at it that way, and which is really why I wanted to put the video out, to see what kind of feedback I would get. Because sometimes when you sit and talk to yourself, you only get your perspective, obviously, because you're not talking to yourself. And if you're getting another perspective, honey. But still, you know, you guys gave me a lot of suggestions, a lot to think about, in all honesty. And I think it made the decision or the direction that I needed to take a lot clearer. So I really thank you guys for taking the time out and leaving those comments. And so with that said, I guess the answer to should I quit YouTube is that no, I should not, and no, I will not. So coming out of that video and all of the feedback that you guys have given me, I will be making a lot of changes on the channel, and I hope that you notice them, because I'm gonna okay, let me stop. So I'm the type of person where, like, I like to have everything ready and then roll out one time, and then I don't even know if I roll out nothing, because everything doesn't ever meet my standards, and then I end up in like a standstill because, you know. So I don't want that to happen this time around. So you will be noticing slow, steady changes on the channel, or I hope you will notice them. So I'll be making different changes with just a bunch of things, just branding, all of that. So you guys can look out for that. And when you do notice them, please let me know in the comments if you like them. Because if you don't, we're just gonna go back to the drawing table. You know what I mean? So let me know when you do notice the changes, if it's something that you like, if it's something that you don't like, if you're like, girl, that nice, you know, let me know it's nice. Or if it's, girl, dash for that, let me know. Like, the trash can's right here, I'm willing. You know, it's a learning curve. So one of the first recommendations that I will be implementing on the channel is to have specific upload days. So, you know, I will be uploading twice a week. I know this is like deja vu, because your girl been saying this for years. But still, uploading twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday of every week. Your girl will be uploading content on her channel, so you guys can look out for that. Another comment that kept on reoccurring was that I should do collabs, and it's something that I'm definitely open to doing. Obviously post-COVID, when the world cooled down, you know, because, you know, social distancing and all that. But be sure to let me know who you'd be interested in seeing me collab with, and maybe I can reach out to them and we see what magic we can make together. So you guys can let me know about that. It's something that I am going to try and make happen. So you should be seeing this video on Wednesday. So look at us, we starting this already, right? So here is your first weekly upload, Wednesday, and you guys can look forward to another video on Saturday. So look at us, who would have thought? Look at us. I really do talking memes. I hope you guys get that. I'm gonna share that meme just so y'all know what I'm talking about.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Alright guys, I don't want this video to be super long. I just felt that it was important that I acknowledge all of the feedback and kind of let you guys know what to expect going forward. So I hope you continue to ride with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Remember I'm asking y'all to keep the same energy, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. You gon' like, you gon' comment, you gon' subscribe, you gon' share. You gon' like, you gon' comment, you gon' subscribe, you gon' share. Yo, I've been singing on this channel for centuries. Y'all remember when I used to go on and on and on and on? ChantayLainey's back with another one. Stay tuned, because I don't want to miss this one. Listen, let me know in the comments if you remember that. Comment on and on if you remember when I used to do that intro, because I know some of y'all hated it. But I really did like it. I don't know why I stopped. Should I bring it back? You're not gonna bring it back. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe now, and I'll see you on